What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the vlog. This trip was a little bit crazy. We were in Kentucky for just 4 days, 5 days, something like that. It was an insane trip. We had to drop off a bunch every day, pick up a bunch every day. We were all over the place. It was crazy. One of the days felt like it was going to take forever. The next day it was raining, the most rain I've ever seen in my life. And it was a lot of long days, so I didn't really get much on film. This video is gonna be bouncing around a lot. Our day we were supposed to leave, flights got canceled, things got weird, so we ended up having the day in Kentucky, and we went to a bunch of different distilleries. So I got some footage of that, but I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Now let's go ahead and check out what we did in Kentucky.
Big window. I got like Ferg aisle, Jaden aisle, me middle. What do you guys need over here? You guys need some stuff? Can you see it on there?
Yeah.
Those are my controls. Don't touch those. Okay. I will let you know when you can do that. Why does it not work?
All right. Hey, rate your drink. Rate your double oaked old fashioned out of 10. 10?
It's the best drink I've ever had. 9.5.
9.5? Robbie.
What?
Rate the drink.
4.2.
We've had it for 4 years, but what do you rate it?
10. Please don't put me on.
Still a 10. All right, Derek, tell me what you got.
I got some BH Taylor. Jaden told me it's Buffalo Trace, but the fancy stuff.
That's exactly what it is. I got some Weller's 107 red label, hard to come by. They had it on the shelves.
Not a big fan of whiskey, so I didn't get anything.
Rob got red corn whiskey at Woodford Reserve yesterday. Huge steal.
Right now, dude.
done, and I know it's done because it's not bubbling.
They have the Sazerac ride.